Switch off.
Hey everybody, it's Beverly at Bama Blind, and I'm showing you the end result of the preparation for a dinner party, lunch party, whatever you want to call it, with guests coming. And I've got my table set. I decided to go with a tablecloth that's blue underneath and a white tablecloth on top because it's daytime and I just wanted it to be bright and kind of airy. The walls of this room, of course, are green, and we have hardwood floors, and then we have an oriental carpet, and the Roomba did an excellent job of cleaning that for us. And then what I did is I just set the table, and I'll show you how I set it. I put blue willow china, that's one of our patterns, and it's a blue and white color. And I put a dinner plate, and I also put a salad plate, like for a Caesar salad, on top of that. And then to the left, of course, is a white napkin with a dinner fork. And then to the right is a steak knife because we're having steak, and I have some flatware that's actually got a steak knife that goes with the flatware. So I put that on here with a regular dinner spoon, and the dinner spoon goes to the outside right, and the steak knife goes to the inside right, and the blade points toward the plate itself. And what I did, I've got right here, is I always take this, which is a long 18-inch empty box that had aluminum foil in it, and I place it at the edge of the table. It's about 1 3/4 inches, maybe 2 inches in depth. And then I just bump my silverware ends up against that, and the plate edge and the napkin edge and the fork up against this guide, which is just your simple long box of aluminum foil. I believe it's like almost a 2-inch by 2-inch cube, and it's, I believe, 18 inches long. This one is empty, so I use it every single time. I keep it in my dining room. So then when I take that away, it looks like the place setting is very symmetrical. So right now I've got 9 places set. Down the center of the table, I have a garland, which has got green and blue and white. And that goes with all of the colors in this room. The walls are green, just a natural green, and the dishes are blue and white. The tablecloths are blue and white. The napkins are white. And then in the middle of that, there are 3 candles kind of nested into that garland. And those are lit mercury glass, like candle pedestals, and I believe they're gold colored. I have gold and silver, so today I think I chose the gold. The blue willow china has a gold rim around it, but I'm using stainless flatware. I have some gold flatware for really fancy parties, but for today, just using the regular flatware because it's got the stainless steel knife that is for steak. So I've got 3 faux candles in the middle, and I've got 3 pedestals. And then over on the mantle, I have garland, the same matching garland with some green statues that match the greenery that's in the polished, I guess it's subway tile that surrounds our fireplace over there. And then on this side of the room, our buffet, of course, where I said we put our desserts. I've got dessert plates, dessert forks, napkins, a plate for cheesecake, because one of my daughters is bringing cheesecake, and I've already got the server out for that. And then over on this side, I have the exact same thing because we're going to have a key lime pie, but I've got the dessert plates, dessert forks, napkins set out, and then our coffee will be in the kitchen set out. And then right here, I've got another kind of a decorative piece that's hanging on this. This is an original window to the house, but it actually goes into a utility. I mean, this is not an exterior window. It goes into the other part of the house. But I've put a wreath up there, which is a summer wreath, and it's got exactly the same colors, blue, white, green, maybe a little pinkish lavender in it. And then down here below is a decorative copper piece that I threw in here. This is what in Turkey they serve Turkish coffee in, and they make the coffee itself. And I just have it in here because it's a nice decorative piece for a dining room. But I just wanted to show you how the finished product looks. We've got 9 people coming, and we're having. Let me show you. We're having. I am making a Caesar salad, which is one of my specialties, and then we're just having steak and grilled vegetables. So, and dessert. And so I thought you would like to see what it looks like. This is one of my favorite things to do. And when you measure it out like this, you know, you can make it look like you know what you're doing. If you've got a guide like that box that I use that is from an aluminum foil roll. I've used up all the aluminum foil. It's like the heavy duty roll. I use that up, but I use that as my guide to place all of the dishes and plates. And then I place the chairs in a very organized way too. So everybody is coming back. They went to a movie this afternoon and we're fixing to eat. So I will probably end the video and we will enjoy this. And I hope you've enjoyed any of the information on this video. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.